To transfer USDT from funding to spot, start by logging into your account on the exchange platform. Navigate to the Funding Wallet section, where you can view your available USDT balance. Next, click on the Transfer button and select the destination as Spot Wallet. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, making sure it is within your available balance. It is essential to note that some exchanges may have transfer fees or minimum transfer amounts, so be sure to check the exchange's terms and conditions before initiating the transfer. Once you have entered the amount, review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. If all information is accurate, confirm the transfer. The USDT will then be transferred from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. Best practices include regularly checking your account balances and transfer history to ensure all transactions are accurate and up to date. Additionally, be aware of any market or exchange restrictions that may affect your transfer. Transferring USDT from funding to spot is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions and being mindful of exchange terms and conditions, you can efficiently manage your cryptocurrency assets.